Hello, it's Helen here. Let's bake milk together. Yes, you hear this right? You can not only drink the milk, but also bake it. This dessert is so creamy and rich in flavor. It should be a perfect snack for your hot summer. Get 2 pots ready. Crack 2 eggs in a small bowl. Stir them aggressively. Pour most of the egg to one pot. Remember to leave some for the egg wash. Add in the sugar. Put the cornstarch. Stir gently with the fork to avoid any clumps. You will get the consistent texture. Put the egg pot aside. Let's prepare the milk mixture. Boil the milk in the other pot. When it's boiled, add in the cheese. The cheese gives out the extra creamy flavor. Stir constantly until the cheese is melted completely. Squeeze the lemon for extra freshness. Place the egg pot at the low heat. Pour the hot milk mixture to the egg pot. Remember to stir constantly to avoid burning. After 30 seconds, the mixture will become thicker. Don't stop stirring. You will get a thick and consistent custard sauce here. For making a baked milk cake, cut the parchment paper to fit 6-inch pan. Pour in the custard. Use the spatula to smooth the surfaces. You can rotate the pan around for even spreading. Cover with plastic wrap. Remember to have the plastic wrap close to the custard. It helps to avoid the formation of the droplet around the plastic wrap. Put in the refrigerator for at least 3 hours. Preheat the oven for 445 Fahrenheit. Use the spatula to loosen the side. Remove the parchment paper. The little trick here is cover the knife with cold water. It will make the cutting process much easier. Cut the cake into 8 slices. Cover the baking tray with aluminum foil. Spread some oil. Remember to apply enough oil for non-sticking and crispy bottom. Place the cake. Use the remaining eggs to egg wash the cake. Put in the oven for 16 minutes. Here is your baked milk cake. Enjoy a aesthetically flavored milk cake with your loved one. It's rich in flavor with a hint of cheese. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more food recipes.